Okay, riggedy riggedy wrecked, son, bruh. Can somebody just let me out of here? If I die in a cage, I lose a bet. I'm a pickle. I'm Pickle Rick. Get off the high road, summer. We all got pink eye because you won't stop texting on the toilet. There's a lesson here, and I'm not gonna be the one to figure it out. Lick my balls. Yeah. 60 for the resonator. And my grandson wants the sex robot. Your parents are a bag of dicks.
This has been my first video of burping Rick quotes from Rick and Morty. Hope you enjoyed them. More to come.